Hello, this time, ang tutorial topic ko for today is all about divisibility rules of 3, 6, and 9 to find common factors. First, we have a divisibility rule. Rule for the number 3. So, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. So, example, I have here the number 297. Titingnan natin kung ang 297 ba ay divisible by 3. So, using the rule, i-add natin yung digits. So, 2 plus 9 plus 7 equals 18. So, itong sum na 18, ito ba ay divisible by 3? So, titingnan natin. Yung sum na 18, i-divide natin. This is 18 divided by 3 is equals to 6. 18 divided by 3 is equals to 6 without remainder. Therefore, 297 is divisible by 3. Another example is 876. So, we have to add the digits. So, I have here, ganito yun siya, 8 plus 7 plus 6 equals 8 plus 7 is 15 plus 6 equals 21. So, yung sum ng numbers na 876 is 21. Titingnan natin if 21 is divisible by 3. So, we have here 21 divided by 3 equals 7 without remainder. Therefore, 876 is divisible by 3. Another example of a number divisible by 3 is 1002. So, titingnan natin paano naging divisible by 3 yung number na 1002. So, we have to add 1 plus 0 plus another 0 plus 2. Then, titingnan natin yung kanyang sum. 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus 0, 1. Plus 2 equals 3. So, yung sum niya na 3, we have to divide 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Therefore, the number 1002 is divisible by 3. Okay. Last example of a number divisible by 3 is 6,369. So, titingnan natin paano ito naging divisible by 3. So, we have to add all the digits. Equals 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 9 equals 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 6 is 15 plus 9 is equals to 24. Yung sum niya na 24 i-divide natin by 3. So, 24 divided by 3 equals 8. So, therefore, 6,369 is a number divisible by 3. Next is divisibility rule for 6. So, ito yung rules. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Ano bang ibig sabihin nun? Na kung ang number daw ay parehong divisible ng 2 at 3, so it is divisible by 6. Example of a number divisible by 6 is 594. So, titingnan natin kung ito ba ay divisible by 6. 594, tingnan muna natin kung ito ay divisible by 3. So, let's add 5 plus 9 plus 4 equals 18. And we all know that 18 is divisible by 3. So, 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So, therefore, 18 is divisible by 3. Titingnan naman natin if 594 is divisible by 2. So, as we can see, 594 ay nagtatapos sa number 4. Therefore, it is an even number. So, doon siya sa rules that all numbers ending in even numbers like 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are all divisible by 2. So, 594 is divisible by 2. It is also divisible by 3. Therefore, 594 is divisible by 6. Another example is 357. Titingnan natin kung ito ba ay divisible by 6. So, unahin natin sa divisible by 3. Let's add the digits. 3 plus 5 plus 7 equals 15. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So, 357 is divisible by 3. Pero, sa nakikita natin, yung ending ng number na 357 ay 7. It is an odd number. Therefore, this is not divisible by 2. So, dahil ang 357 ay divisible by 3 but not divisible by 2, therefore, 357 is not divisible by 6. Another example is 846. So, para mas madali sa inyo, pwede din kayong gumawa ng table. So, ito, divisible by 2. I-check ninyo, divisible by 3 and divisible by 6. So, titingnan natin. 846 ends in number 6, an even number. So, doon siya pasok sa rule ng divisible by 2. So, 846 is divisible by 2. Titingnan naman natin kung ito ba ay divisible by 3. So, we will add all the digits. 8 plus 4 is 12. Plus 6 is 18. Therefore, 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So, 846 is divisible by 3. Then, it is divisible by 6. Okay, another example is 3,240. Okay, so titingnan natin, 3,240, nagtatapos sa 0. So, pasok siya doon sa rule for 2. So, therefore, 3,240 is divisible by 2. Titingnan naman natin kung ito ba ay divisible by 3 by adding the digits. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 0 is 9. Therefore, 9 divided by 3 is 3. Therefore, 3,240 is divisible by 3. Then, it is divisible by 6. Okay, last example is the number 189. So, titingnan natin kung ito ba ay divisible by 6. But first, i-check muna natin kung ito ba ay divisible by 2 and 3 para malaman natin kung ito ay divisible by 6. So, sa 2, as we can see, 189, yung last number niya or yung ending number niya ay 9, which is an odd number. Therefore, this is not divisible by 2. Then, titingnan naman natin kung ito ba ay divisible by 3 by adding the digits. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 189 is divisible by 3. Pero paano ito? 189 not divisible by 2 but divisible by 3. Therefore, as the rule is, if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So therefore, 189 is not divisible by 6. Next is divisibility rule for the number 9. So, ito yung rule. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9. Kagaya din ito sa rule for 3. We have to add all the digits at titingnan natin yung sum kung ito ba ay divisible by 9. Example is 804. So, titingnan natin kung ang 804 ba ay divisible by 9. So, let's add all the digits. 8 plus 0 plus 4 equals 12. 12 is not divisible by 9 kasi pag dinivide natin ito by 9, mayroon itong remainder. Pakita ko. 12 divided by 9 is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. 12 minus 9 is 3. So, mayroong remainder. Therefore, 804 is not divisible by 9. Dahil mayroong remainder yung kanyang sum of the digits. Another example is 306. O, titingnan natin. I-add natin yung digits. 3 plus 0 plus 6 equals. 3 plus 0 is 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. Therefore, 9 divided by 9 equals 1. Therefore, 306 is divisible by 9. So, another example is 9,000. Let's add. 9 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 9 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 9. So, therefore, 9 divided by 9 equals 1 na walang remainder. So, 9,000 is divisible by 9. Another is 189. So, add natin yung digits. 1 plus 8 plus 9 equals, so ito, 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 9 is 18. 18 divided by 9 equals 2. Walang remainder. Therefore, 189 is divisible by 9. So, I have here an activity which is 315, 120, 8,640, and 4,176. We will check the number if it is divisible by 3, 6, and 9. So first, 315. Then let's applying the rules, i-add natin yung digits. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 5 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3, therefore 315 is divisible by 3. Okay, next. Is it divisible by 6? So titingnan natin. 315, it ends in 5. 5 is not divisible by 2. Although it is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 2, therefore not divisible by 6. Is 315 divisible by 9? By adding the digits, 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. Therefore, 315 is divisible by 9. Another is 120. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 0 is 3. So, 3 is divisible by 3. Next, 120 ends in 0, which is divisible by 2. So, therefore, 120 is divisible by 3 and divisible by 2. So, it is divisible by 6. Then 120 by adding the digits is 1 plus 2 is 3 is not divisible by 9. Next, 8,640. 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 4 is 18 plus 0 is also 18. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. Therefore, it is divisible by 3. Then, it ends in 0. 0 is divisible by 2. So, 8,640 is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 6. And then, 18, by adding the digits, 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 4 is 18. 18 is divisible. 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore, it is divisible by 9. 8,640 is also divisible by 9. Then last example, 4,176. Let's add first the digit. 4 plus 1 is 5. Plus 7 is 12. Plus 6 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Looking at this digit, it ends in 6. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. Since 4,176 is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, therefore, it is also divisible by 6. And 18, add ko ulit, 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 7 is 12, plus 6 is 18. 18 is also divisible by 9. So, yan lamang po kasimple yung divisibility rules of 3, 6, and 9.